Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and update. Then let's tap on date and time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, turn off both of those switchers, and now let's simply tap on date and change it by swiping. The same with the time, just tap on it and swipe until you will find the desired time. At the top we've got also the option time format, so we can change it from 24-hour to 12-hour. It's completely up to you. And here the time zone, just tap on it and we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. Here we've got the dual clock, so we can turn it on and off just by using the switcher. And basically the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, and the second one from any other place of your choice. So this is the manual customization of date and time. Of course, if you want to, you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.